Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to make a spider origami. I know many of you guys don't like spiders, but where is the fault to make it? It's just a paper origami. So let's get started. For that, we need a square piece of paper. First we will fold it in half. Unfold it. Rotate the page, again fold it in half. So here you can see we have got a valley fold of plus sign over here. Now flip the page over. Now take this corner, fold it to this corner. Unfold, rotate the page, again fold this corner to this corner. After we have folded all the creases, now we will just fold it like this over here. Now just press it from these two sides like this and fold it. So here you can see we have got a square shape pattern. Press all these sides and make all the creases sharp. So we have 4 flaps over here. As you can see, bottom side is open. So we will first fold it like this. Take this and fold it to this edge line, this crease over here. Same, do it over here too. Make the creases sharp and flip it over. Do the same over here. Now fold it from here, fold this one from here like this, from this side, and press and make a crease, and same do it to other side also and make a crease. Now unfold this flap, take this part over like this and fold it inside. Like this. Do the same. Unfold it, open the flap and fold it inside. Now open it from here, take this flap over here, again fold it in half like this, take this edge line and fold it to this edge line, but a bit in a diagonal process so that it doesn't make a point over here at the top. instead of leave a space from here a bit and then make a point over there like this. Do it over here too. Turn it over. Do the same. Like this. So after this, we will grab a scissors. Now we will cut it. First open this one and cut across this crease over here till this point over here. Like this. One done. Then from the back side another flap over here. Now from the middle part over here. So 4 legs are ready. Now let's make another 4. Take this one first. Now the back one. Now the middle part. Make sure you cut from the creases you have made like this. So after you have made, first fold this flap over here like this. Turn it over and fold this too. Now we will fold the legs. For that. So after that we will just fold this back to their positions like this. Now take this leg and fold it like this. Take one from this side also and fold it similarly like this side. Now turn it over. We will make the rest of the legs. So take this one first and fold it like this. Now this one similarly, just as a mirror image, we will fold. Now take one from here, fold it in an angle like this. Take another one from here and fold it like this. Same over here, take one, fold it, take another one and fold it. So you can see it is taking the shape of a spider. Now we will just open it from here like this. We will open it till this point over here. Not that, till this point, sorry, till this point over here. We will open it like this. And we will fold this into this pocket over here. We will fold it inside like this. Just take it, bend it and put it inside this pocket. And press it. So our spider is almost ready. Now we will shape it a bit more. So for that, turn it over. First the legs. So this one, and fold it like this. This one too. Take this one and fold it like this. Fold this one at the backward. This one also in the backward. This one by the side of that leg like this, the backward direction. And this one also in the backward direction like this. So here you can see the spider is ready. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest videos like this. Peace.